Are you ready to take your IPTV streaming to the next level with HDMI encoders? Let's dive right into this essential guide. First, you'll need to choose the right HDMI encoder. Look for models that support H.264 or H.265 compression, and offer RTSP or HLS protocols for smooth streaming. A great option is the H.264 4K HDMI to IP network video encoder available on platforms like Amazon. Next, connect your HDMI source to the encoder's HDMI input.
Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a crazy love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. Hey, I'm never the same.
This is where you'll capture your video signal. Now, configure your encoder settings. Set the resolution at 1080p for optimal quality, and make sure the bitrate is at least 5 megabits per second to avoid lag. Don't forget to check for firmware updates, which can often fix bugs and improve performance. Once your encoder is set up, test your connection with a reliable IPTV provider like 2TV Store, known for being the best IPTV provider. Check the pinned comment for the link to their services.
I am waiting for a bus at the end of the night, under street lamp, red face flamed by the light. I'm going away, I'm gone away, I'm gone away. And the sun gonna shine on a brand new day. Must be somewhere welcome me into the fold. Blooming flowers, as much as I can hold. I'm gone away, I'm gone away, I'm gone away. And the sun gonna shine on a brand new day for me, a brand new day for love, brand new day for me, brand new day for love.
After testing, it's time to go live. Use software like OBS Studio to manage your stream settings and integrate your encoder seamlessly. Remember, common mistakes include using a low bitrate, which can lead to poor video quality. Always monitor your stream health and adjust as necessary. Finally, once you've mastered the basics, explore advanced features like OSD overlays and remote control functionalities to enhance your streaming experience. Happy streaming, and don't forget, for top-notch IPTV services, visit 2TV Store, the best in the business.